Welcome back to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Today, I'll show you why 2025 will be the turning point for a new wave of self-made millionaires. The financial world is shifting, and if you don't adapt now, you'll be left behind. But if you understand the signs, you can change your life forever. Section 1: The hidden financial shift. Right now, we're seeing three powerful forces collide: AI, inflation, and digital opportunity. AI is replacing old jobs, but creating new online income streams. Inflation is punishing bad spending habits, but rewarding investors. And digital tools are making wealth creation faster than ever. This is not the time to panic, it's the time to position yourself. Section 2: The new rules of wealth. Millionaires of 2025 will follow new rules. Earn from the digital economy, online business, automation, and personal branding. Invest in assets that grow with technology, AI funds, global ETFs, even digital real estate. Master financial intelligence, understanding debt, leverage, and compounding. They don't just chase money, they build systems that create it. Section 3: The mindset shift. Wealth is no longer about luck. It's about adaptability. Ordinary people who adapt faster than others, learn, pivot, and take smart risks will rise. The question is, are you observing the shift, or are you acting on it? In 2025, the money won't just move, it will shift to those who understand change. Stay ahead, stay educated, and remember, wealth isn't what you earn, it's what you keep and grow. If you're serious about mastering this shift, subscribe, because we're just getting started.